Are you crying? I love you. Once again, forgot my microphone. What a wasted opportunity. Anyway, we're in. Waiting for Hyle. Maybe I'm gonna get something to drink.
I don't think they do that anymore.
Hi! Ngayon pa Seattle na. Noon pa Manila. Ganun. Ay, fuck! Oh. Uy! Nasaan ka po? Oh? Nasaan ako kayo? Shadow.
This is shadow. Kaya pa rin ang gamit ko yan.
I think so. Shadow. We are in Shadow. Ay.
Shadow!
Shadow. Shadow.
I like these clothes. Hey, stop.
No jumping, ha?
Hey, babe.
Hi, hello po. Hi po. Hi. Ang cute niya. Ay, nag-smile siya. Ay, later. Hello. Ay, mamaya mo siya papaiyakin, te. Hi, Lola. I like my auntie.
I'm gonna keep on dancing at the paint falling off. I'm gonna keep on dancing. I don't see any emotion.
It's so cold. Okay, bye. Ellie, say hi. Hi. Nga nga. Hi. 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 Yum. And you know, and we're gonna get chicken. Chicken. Sakto lang.
Toby, let's go find the horse.
Good morning. It's 7:40 a.m. and today is Sunday, and I'm planning to bring around my little cousin around Seattle and then the tourist spots. So I'm gotten ready, about to fold up our bed, and we're gonna head out soon. As soon as my brother wakes up, because he'll be driving us. Anyway, bye.
Patugtog ka dito, hindi dito. Alam niyo ba, pag may album yung artist, may kwento yan, di ba?
In 2 miles, take exit 165 on the left onto Seneca Street.
the shuttle. Starbucks. No line.
Have a good one.
Thank you. Cheers. Ang ganda ng nails ko dun. Next up, brushy brushy. Ito yung beef onion. Ay, sige na. Kunti lang. Try mo nga. Ano kayong flavor yun?
Taste test.
Taste test. Ginawa na ka dito. Kunwari lang. Kunwari lang. Oh. Kunwari lang. Hindi ka na.
Ilang kulwari yan?
Oh. Ay! Diba? Hoodie. Hoodie vibes only. It's raining, man. Hi. Hi. Where's the Space Needle? Right there. Turo mo yung Space Needle. Everyone, so right now we're at the Kerry Park for this beautiful overlook of Seattle.
Hindi sa kasi pangalan ni Shepherd.
McDreamy?
Kasi McDreamy.
Ano si Max Dreamy? Hi, Meredith. Naiihi ako. Ay, ang ganda na, no?
Diba?
Wow, ang ganda ng bahay dito, guys.
Nag-house shopping na yata kami dito.
Window shopping lang naman. Okay, mura na naman. It's raining. Okay, bye. Sige. That's the Chateau resident. Okay, Capitol Hill. We're gonna try Faye.
Or should we get food?
Sige, saan? Yang. Yeah. Tap.
Somebody else probably owns the house.
Ganda aesthetic. Fairness. Isip mo muna. Nahulog sa kabilang side. Nahuhulog, nagdidrip yung kabilang side, Sissy. Sip it. Naka-Uber kami. May saan ulit?
Kasing trip to, bad
Ay
trip.
na, pag naglalakad kami, umuulan. Alam sa amin shuttle.
Ang ina.
Para nang bibisit ng aasar.
Bad trip na yun.
Pero kakasakay niyo ulit. Here I go.
Trip to Seattle.
Cinco char. Yum.
Ay, nako, Toby.
Yum, yum, yum. Oh my gosh.
Wala pa. Wala pa.
Back to the airport. Ito dugong. Back to the airport. This is that day.